Welcome back guys. So many of us don't know that how to shoot the highest available quality on the mobile phone. So today in this video I am going to describe the step-by-step process of making a very good quality video. So let's begin. Firstly, open the default mobile camera app and go to the setting of this phone. Then choose the highest available quality of the mobile phone. Then after, start recording with the back camera. That will give the more quality. If you have more megapixel count on the selfie camera, you can also use the selfie camera. Because I have the 12 megapixel on the back dual camera setup and the front selfie camera is about 20 megapixel. So I am shooting now in the 20 megapixel. That will give more quality. But the back camera have the autofocus and the image stabilization or optical image stabilization. So I am using the selfie camera. So let's begin this video. Firstly, go to the video app, video mode, then shoot the video. Then after, go to the Play Store and download the application for video editing tools like InShot, KineMaster, Power Director, Filmora, etc. You can use as you want. So firstly, I would like to tell you that how to edit the video, I have given all the information in another video. I am giving the link to the I button and also in the description of this video. So enjoy and make so nice quality content by using your own mobile phone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for next videos. Thank you.